Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So do you want to see what I'm adding to my closet today? It is a fire and nice box. Not sure which way it's coming up, but it's definitely a great box. Unfortunately, it's going to be my last for a while. Fire and Nice is a kind of bath and body box, but it leans more towards baths, and I'm not really a bath taker. I'm more of a shower taker. So do you want to see what's in it? If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my channel and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber. So now let's get into the box. I want to say this is like $39.99 a month, maybe some shipping, but it'll be across here when I unbox it. And they wrap it so nice. It's got a little thank you gem on there, and it's got tons of those little I call them like the trail mix, because you can always follow me after I open this box because I leave them everywhere. And I really did like this subscription, but I just can't keep up with the amount of bath bombs. I send them to friends, give them to anybody that tells me that they take a bath. So, and I can't remember if there is a card in here. I don't think that they put a card in here. But the first one, it's a mermaid shelf bath bomb. So I do leave these out in my bathroom. As I said, I don't have a bathtub here in Washington, but we do have one back in Arizona. This one smells really good. And then I see a jar, and this is Toes in the Sand Sea Salt Pedicure Soap Scrub. And of course I have to play and open it. And this is very, excuse my nails, it's very whippy. Oh my God, it smells amazing. I just like to open these boxes just to get the great smells. So it just goes on really light, and it is a foot scrub. So what I like to do is just take a big bowl, fill it with water, and sit outside and do my feet. And that way you can just kind of dump the water out in the bushes. I don't know if it's sanitary for the bushes, but just something I like to do. And then we got these big old bath bombs. And sorry about that. I do put them in the bathtub when I do take baths first, because they put that really nice layer, kind of like a tie-dye effect. I'm trying to read this one. I put my glasses too far away. It smells like soap, but again, when you put these in your bathtub, it leaves such nice colors. So if you have like young girls, teenage girls, even younger, they would definitely love this as like a gift. This one's kind of like a little donut, and it is the Green Rift Coconut Lime Bath Nut Donut Bomber. Oh my gosh. And they do give you quite the items when you get these boxes, but as I said, just to keep up with taking baths, it's very difficult. Candied Violet Mani Pedi Pumice Scrub. I'm not going to open this one. It's kind of like the same in the texture, but these are nice. And as I said, they really do make great gifts. Oh. Oh, look at this, and it's got like the flower in there, And this is Autumn Homecoming Bath Tea Sachet. Wow. Add entire sachet to warm bath water. Soak and unwind in the tea bath for 20 minutes. So we have some fall items in here. Wow. Oh my gosh. It must have some cinnamon or something, because it definitely smells like fall. There is a ton of stuff in here. This is probably one of my favorites. The Prairie Coconut Shea Soap, moisturizing shea soap. But it looks like it goes to the beach. So that is very nice. And ooh, this is Mermaid Splash Orange Blossom. It's a bath gel. Not sure, so I guess it's a soap. Definitely a nice fragrance. So I don't know if it's more like a soap or you can put it in your bath to get your bath going. This box smells amazing. So I hope you guys are all doing great. I know some schools have started, some haven't. Doing the homeschool. I don't think I could deal with homeschooling my children. Another bath bomb. And this one doesn't even have a sticker on it. But it's a really pretty color. But again, I could not go through all of these. Ooh, these are my favorite kind, the Tiffany boxes. Bath Time at Tiffany's Bath Bomb, and it says little black dress, but these are just nice to leave out. Oh, I see some fall stuff. So this must be the August box. Beach burner, so this must be a candle to put by your bath. Can't get it open. That's what it looks like. I know you can't smell it, but it definitely smells like something by the beach. Okay, now I know, as I said, it's a fall box because it's a pumpkin. And this is Harvest Surprise Bath Bomb. Add entire bomb to warm bath water. So I bet you this is really cool when you put it in the water. It's got a fall. And there's a few more items in here. Oh, and there's a piece of jewelry. Ooh, I like this piece of jewelry. I don't know if you can see it. It's gold. I'm more of a silver wearer, but I do go outside my comfort zone and will wear a piece of gold jewelry. And this looks kind of like a starburst. I'm trying to shake it without having to open the bag, but I guess I'll open the bag. I don't know how long it is. This was definitely a great box. Can you see that? Isn't that nice? And probably about that long. Yeah, so something I would definitely wear. So I do like that. We have a few more items. Oh, is this another candle? Oh, this might be another candle. Tree Farm. And it's got the little truck. Sorry. Oh. It's got like that spruce. I guess if you've ever gone and bought Christmas trees, that's what it would smell like. And that is really nice. My goodness. This is really a nice box. Ooh, another, oh, it's a diamond, I think. The Green Rift Gemstone Bomber. Let's see if it'll fit on my hand. So let's see what it smells like. That smells like comfort. Like, give me some hot apple cider and a nice bath. I think there's one more item in here. Oh, they put this in every box. The Moi Shimmer Bath Soap. And it's Kisses. Okay, getting kind of corny. So there were like 1, 2, 3, 4. There had to be like 12 items or better in this box. So are you a bath taker? Are you a shower taker? What do you like to take? But this really, it's a great box if you have, as I said, like teenage daughters or young daughters that like to take baths. This really is a fun like gift box for them. And I really did like this necklace. I don't remember them putting jewelry in their boxes. So I am going to definitely wear this. So leave comments below what you thought of this box, if this is like a box that you would like to get. If there's any items in this box, this one I like it. It does have that ocean smell. So thank you for stopping by. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please feel free to share this video. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.